Creating a Roblox group allows you to build a community, manage members, and organize events. Here's a concise guide. Log in or sign up. Ensure you're logged into your Roblox account. If you don't have one, create an account on the Roblox website. Roblox group page. Go to the Create section and select Groups from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the My Groups page. Create a group. Click the Create Group button. Choose a name for your group. Ensure it's unique and adheres to Roblox's naming rules. Upload a group logo and cover image to make your group visually appealing. Group settings. Configure group settings, including privacy options. Set the group's description and social media links. Adjust the group's rank and permissions to define who can do what within the group. Social links. Add links to your group's social media accounts or a Discord server to help members connect outside of Roblox. Funding and payouts. Set up group revenue by specifying how Robux earned by the group will be distributed among members. This is optional. Verification. If your group represents a brand or organization, consider going through the group verification process. Finalize. Review your group's information, and when you're satisfied, click Purchase to create your group. This may involve a one-time payment of Robux. Customization. Customize the group further by creating ranks, setting roles, and organizing group activities. Recruit and manage members. Promote your group and invite members. Manage member requests, posts, and events from your group's admin panel.